In the misty highlands of Merak, where mountains cradle stories and flowers bloom with purpose, a vibrant celebration unfolded. From April 3rd to 9th, 2025, the people of Sheytemi came together to honor not just nature but identity. This was Rhododendron Week, a tribute to the Brokpa community, to culture, and to the land they have called home for generations. The week opened in full color, blessed by His Royal Highness the Gyeltshab. Under the theme, The Blooming Highlands, a tribute to nature and culture, guests were welcomed with traditional dances, sacred rituals, and the unveiling of the heritage village. Children in traditional Brokpa dress ran the Run for Rhododendrons, symbolizing the youthful spirit of preservation. As the community planted the first of 70 rhododendrons, a shared promise to protect the alpine ecosystem took root. The evening lit up with Pingpe Yurung, the melody of the cuckoo, followed by elders sharing folktales around a bonfire, reviving the old wisdom of the highlands.
Merak rinjin dor gilala. Ni ona gi nami sami ga chinong ka mentor. Da ona ga jindo na ka. Nami sami ga lekwa. Chedang bukyo ona pangtang parka. Nami sami to lekwa ni juma gilala. Ni ei responsible ona a tamjira ona changma chepi ga denda gi nami sami ga phini uba gilala. Ni rokte Now, Gyeltshab journey, everybody taga charge really down to Gilala. So, I'm Samiga, should have pure out.
April 4th honored the strength and the spirit of the Highlanders. Wrestling, tug of war, and stone lifting tested the strength of men and women alike, while students performed with pride and passion. 45 prayer flags were hoisted throughout the week, waving blessings over the mountains, the forests, and the hearts of everyone gathered. This day belonged to the flower that inspired it all, the rhododendron. From Sheytemi College came cultural dances, a powerful snowline performance, and the much awaited Miss Rhododendron 2025 pageant celebrating the strength, grace, and voice of young women from the region.
Merak itu medo dimtin yang como Xinjiang bago mo siya kumapalo yung katinga ng dimtinga yung dare siya ko kilala dare naman sa mga ko siyang biya siyang anything niya kay tongpa ba ko ni yung mangbunyan ba yung hando da nung ko yung introduction bujewa sa siyang biya ko wala yung tawa mo introduction matat pa ni dakmonda yung kasa gyok turuga yung misirga tabli ta zomni in the siyang biya ko yang nela songan siktu yang nela siktu tok sama tak sila songan bo ke sigen bo ke mo lam tan ni dile ni yung sem ni inu le kula sa ni rang sila kam ni ye sa inu na ka tok kitok so ngam shar wa do suwe ngam do mo do oduna sa mo lam tan ni nam sa bu song ni yo cho gile ning oma dinchu dunnin dewa gebchi sabudru mucha sayu gile
April 6th brought Brokpa culture to center stage. The ancient Gyeltshab honored the bond between humans and the animals that sustain them. In Damoshung, the Lhasek into Lekpa Memorial Archery Shoot carried forward the legacy of legendary marksmanship in the mountains. The Brokpa's way of life took center stage on April 8th. Children painted yaks, elders showcased Tsepusham knitting, and visitors were treated to traditional Brokpa cuisine and sacred home consecration ceremonies, intimate windows into nomadic life. The final day was one of the blessing and reflection. The Dharma King graced Sheytemi with a sacred presence, bringing the week to a profound close. A majestic yak parrot, the powerful Dremitsingacham, and a heartfelt farewells by the Brokpa community marked the end of this extraordinary celebration. As the petals fade with the seasons, the memories of Rhododendron Week will remain, rooted deep in the hills and in the hearts of those who were there. Trashi Dele, thank you.
chole ama chominesu lumbi keche mato rajine danzede etomento Rhododendron ring Rhododendron ring etometric dite Rashin tepidakor ludaya nur chamsa lerim chigi mido katro peviditen etomento Rhododendron ring etometric dite